Welcome back to Crypto Talk, where we explore everything related to cryptocurrency and investing. In this video, we'll be discussing the risks and rewards of investing in initial coin offerings, or ICOs. ICOs have become a popular way for blockchain startups to raise capital, but with any investment opportunity, there are potential risks and rewards. Let's dive in. What is an ICO? First, let's define what an ICO is. An ICO is a fundraising method used by blockchain startups, where they issue their own cryptocurrency tokens to investors in exchange for funding. The tokens can then be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, potentially leading to profits for early investors. The rewards of investing in ICOs. The potential rewards of investing in ICOs are clear. Early investors can potentially make significant profits if the project is successful. In some cases, ICO tokens have increased in value by thousands of % in a short amount of time. However, these success stories are the exception rather than the rule. The risks of investing in ICOs. There are also significant risks associated with investing in ICOs. Many ICO projects are not backed by a tangible product or service, and the value of the tokens may be based solely on speculation. Additionally, ICOs are not regulated in the same way as traditional investments, and many projects have turned out to be scams or have failed to deliver on their promises. Due diligence is key. Before investing in an ICO, it's important to conduct thorough due diligence on the project and the team behind it. Look for information on the project's white paper, the team's experience and track record, and any partnerships or collaborations they have in place. Additionally, pay attention to any red flags, such as lack of transparency or unrealistic promises. Diversification is important. As with any investment, diversification is key to mitigating risk. Don't put all of your eggs in one ICO basket. Consider investing in a range of cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to spread your risk. So, those are just a few of the risks and rewards associated with investing in ICOs. While there is potential for significant profits, it's important to approach ICOs with caution and conduct thorough due diligence before investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content on cryptocurrency and investing. We'll see you next time on Crypto Talk.